Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Taylor and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be unboxing the April Boxycharm. I'm super excited for this video and I can't wait to see what I got in the April Boxycharm. This is my first time having Boxycharm in over a year. I have had it in the past, but I canceled my subscription and now I'm getting it back, and I'm super excited because I love Boxycharm, so I can't wait to see what I got. So if you're interested in what I got, just keep watching. Before we start the video, don't forget to hit that like button down below and subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you. Also, make sure you have your post notifications turned on so you don't miss an upload. I am going to be having a spring giveaway coming very soon that you don't want to miss. So let's start the video. Okay, so the first thing I noticed is the box. When I did have Boxycharm before, the box was a lot smaller. This box is a lot bigger, and this is the base box. I believe there are two other levels of boxes you can get. This one is $25 a month, and I believe there's a $30 one a month, and then I'm not sure on the other one. But I will be leaving a link that you can sign up to Boxycharm down below in the description if you guys are interested in signing up for Boxycharm. So if you are new at Boxycharm, every month when you get your Boxycharm, there is a piece of paper in here too, and on the back of it, it says all of the products you got with the value of each product. So the first thing I got right here is this Touch and Soul primer, and it says the value of that is $32. So just in this one item, I already got more than what I paid for the whole box. So this is a Icy Sherbet Primer, silicone free and cooling effect. I'm really excited to try this because I have had two other Soul & Touch primers before and I really like them. So I had this one right here, and then I had the one that is an oil. So I really love these primers, so I'm super excited to try this one. I'm opening it up. It's pretty heavy actually. I can already smell it just by opening the box. So this is what the packaging looks like. I really like it. It's super heavy, and to me, when like the packaging is super heavy, that means like it's like high quality and nice. So here is what it looks like inside. Okay, that's what the actual primer looks like. It smells like a rose, like a really strong, powerful rose perfume smell. It's not bad, but it is really overpowering. So actually, when I opened this earlier, I did get some on my finger and I tested it out on my boyfriend's face, and it actually worked really good. Like the pores went away and it just like smoothed his skin. So I'm super excited to try this under my foundation and see how well it works. Okay, so next I have this Georgetta Clinger. I'm not the best at names, so please don't drag me in the comments if I say a name wrong, but I got this vitamin C face mask. It says it retails for $36. So already just in the two products, I'm up to like $60 worth of things. So I think the packaging is super cute and simple. This is a vitamin C face mask. It says restores youthful tone and texture, improves radiance and clarity, fights signs of aging and caused by UV damage, promotes healing and repair, brightens dullness, uneven skin, draws impurities from pores, and smooths and firms your skin. I'm actually really excited to try this. I've never heard of this brand, but I'm super excited to try it because I really need to start getting back into doing face masks. My skin is really dry right now and my pores are huge, so I'm interested in seeing if this is actually going to do anything and work. I actually really don't smell anything. I'm going to pump a little bit on my hand just so I can show you guys what it looks like, if it will come out. Okay, so it's like this. It looks like a foundation color. Apply this mask after cleansing and toning your skin. leaving the mask on for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the clay to soak up impurities, and then rinsing it with lukewarm water. So I can't wait to try this. I'm probably going to try this later tonight, actually. Next, I have this Manicator Beauty Pluck It 2-piece tweezers. And I'm not sure if I said her name right, so again, don't drag me in the comments. But this retails for $18. So this is actually $18, and it comes with 2 tweezers. This one is more of the normal kind of tweezer you would use, and this one is more the fine tip tweezer. So I'm excited to try them. They look like they are really like high quality tweezers. You can always use more tweezers because I'm always losing mine on my vanity and I can never find it. So maybe now I won't lose at least 1 pair. Next, I have this Queen Studio mascara. This retails for $18 as well. I have never heard of this brand either. So this is what the component looks like. And then, oh wow, here's the wand of what the mascara looks like. It's super small and skinny, nothing too big. I think I might actually like this because I don't really like big wands. So I'm excited to try this and see how well it works. It says this mascara instantly creates the look of lash extensions. Wow, that's a lot. The Lash Doubling Volumizing Mascara lengthens and separates, giving you flirty, intense black lashes. It says the mascara is semi-permanent, high gloss black, which I always use black mascara. I've never used any other color mascara. I always use black. It says that this mascara does not smudge or flake, and it's easy to remove. Easy to remove, making you less likely to experience lash fallout during removal. So that has a lot to live up to, and I'm excited to test it out and see if it is all of those things. Okay, and now the last thing. I'm saving like the best for last. I got this Natasha eyeshadow palette. And this is what it looks like. It's super like neutral and brown tone eyeshadows. I have never used this brand of eyeshadow. I've always heard like really good things about it, and I know that it's super expensive. This one right here retails for $48, and I know some of the bigger palettes retail for like $200. So I'm really excited to try this and see if it's worth all the hype and see how good the eyeshadow quality is and see just how well it blends and everything. And what I thought was pretty funny is that this palette right here looks a lot like this $3 e.l.f. palette. So I thought it would be kind of cool to do a video comparing the two maybe. I don't know, I'll see. But I'm really excited to try this, and I can't wait to see if the eyeshadow is worth all the hype that everyone says. I really like the packaging. It's super clean and simple, and this is like super easy to open. It just like snaps shut. So that is everything that I ordered, and like I said, I have had Boxycharm before in the past. I've also had Ipsy, and I like Boxycharm a lot better. That's why I went back to Boxycharm. So the reason I canceled wasn't because like I wasn't happy or anything. It was just because I was moving from different states. So I finally was able to re-sign up and start getting my Boxycharms. So I'm super excited to start receiving Boxycharms every month. I know that since I just did sign up like at the end of March, I'm still going to be receiving the March box, but it hasn't came yet. I just received the April one this morning in the mail. So I'm super excited to see what the March box has into it, because I haven't like looked at any videos or anything to see like what came in the March box. So I'm super excited. I love getting these in the mail because it's always so exciting to see what things you got and everything. So I can't wait to start getting one every month. I also think that I am going to sign up for the step above this base box next month and get like the step up. It's like $30 some a month, I think. so I want to try that and see if it's any different or if it's worth the more money. And like I did say, I did have Ipsy and I just wasn't that big of a fan. Like I kept feeling like I was getting the same things, and it's like sample sizes, so all of the things are so small, like you can barely even use it to try it. And I like the fact that with the Boxycharm, it's all full-size products, and they last a long time. Like I still have some products that I got in Boxycharm, like I said, last time I had Boxycharm, it was like over a year ago, and I still use some of those products I received in the Boxycharms before. When you are signing up for Boxycharm, you can go on there and do a quiz and fill out all the preferences. And when you are signing up, you can go on there and fill out a quiz and what you prefer on each thing. They ask you like a bunch of questions just to make sure that when you receive your box, it's like what you want. And also, like I said, it just in this box, the first two things I picked out of the box was way over how much I paid. If there is something you don't like, you can always get rid of it and give it to like a family member or a friend, or like in my instance, I probably will like put things back for giveaways. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed this video and want to see me doing a unboxing every month of my Boxycharm, or maybe a video where I test out all the products I got in my Boxycharm, definitely comment down below and let me know, because I would love to keep doing these Boxycharm videos. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.